Hi guys, this is from Modern Techies. Today I'm going to show you how to play any AAA games or PC games like Call of Duty, CSGO, Cyberpunk on your mobile phone or Android tablet or any HDMI connectable devices like TV and all. Yes, it is possible, and this is not a gimmick. You can play. So basically, this is something called cloud-based gaming services. So it is getting popular right now, and NVIDIA is the one who is trying to make it popular. So this is the website of the NVIDIA GeForce now. So actually this is not available in all the locations. You can see this is right now only available in USA, but I will show you guys. You can see it's not supported in region. In India it is not supported at the moment. It is only available in US, but through VPN and all we can connect, and I will show you how to connect and have to play. So let me show you the game supported by this service. So basically how this work is, so basically NVIDIA has this servers up and running, and they will install all the games in remote location in some PC, and they will connect to the servers, and we will be able to connect to that servers, and we will be playing the game remotely somewhere present in US. So you don't need to have any graphic card, you don't need to have any high-end PC or anything. Just you need to connect, and you need to have any gamepad or keyboard or mouse, just and it will display on your mobile and you can play. That's it. It is very simple, just like that. You can see these are the games supported, most of the so many games: Assassin's Creed, Hitman, whatnot, everything you can see. So I will keep this link in the description below. You can go and check out. So first of all guys, how to access this, how to play the game. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to install an app called GeForce Now APK. So you can see so many versions. So download from this website 5.33. so go and click this option, download. Click download option. Guys, I have already just downloaded the app. So after downloading them, this is how it looks. So before that, you have to do is you have to download any VPN. So the VPN which can have server as United States, that is most important thing. Is so you can see I have downloaded this VPN. You can download any VPN. So open the VPN, and also guys, if you want to access this app, the most important thing is you have to have very high speed internet, because so many people will be requesting this same server for so many games. So it may be very slow. So if you have much faster connection, you will be in the queue to get this service. So if you have an faster internet service, you will have some advantage. And you can see United States. So yeah, I have connected. I was connected. So now what you have to do is, first of all, you have to go to NVIDIA app. You have to create one account. It's very simple guys. You have to just like Google account, just create an account, but make sure you have VPN up and running. Then only it will say GeForce app is available in your location. So let's do it. Go to the app. So accept all these terms and conditions. Let me first create an account. So depending on your VPN and how much speed internet speed you have, that much fast you are able to access this NVIDIA GeForce Now servers and website. So click join today. So guys, there will be two plans actually. One is free, so you can see it is a standard access and you can play just 1 hour of any game, and there is 6 months membership where you can pay about $25, which is just like 1900 rupees, and you can see all the ray tracing options, and you can also play how much time you want. You can play, and priority access is something like, as I said before, you will be in the queue to play that game. So if you are in this membership, you will be able to play much faster. You will be getting the game much faster. So but you can just click this also, nothing, you can play this also. Click join. So this is the place you page you get. And if you have already an account, guys, you can directly log in with Google or Facebook. If you are new, you have to just create account. Click this option, create account, and you can see, guys, just provide all the necessary information and all, then just create an account. So I have already created an account, so I directly will log in. I will show you how the app looks like once you log in with this your account. So guys, once you log in here, this is how the page looks like. So next, just go to the GeForce app right now, click login, and again it will redirect to that page, and click NVIDIA option. So provide your credentials here. So here it is, guys. So once you logged in with your account which was created in GeForce, now you can see it will try to download some files, and within some few minutes you will be able to see GeForce app, where you can see list of apps and all, and I will show you what and what and all. So here it is, guys. This is the list of games and library of games NVIDIA has provided. So you can see. So now onwards, you have to remember one thing, that there are two kinds. One is free games, means you don't need to pay anything, or you don't need to have any account, just you need to click the game and you have to click play, and you will be able to play real world PC game in your Android mobile, just like that. Second thing, if you have any Origin account, Steam account, Ubisoft account, any Valve account, any account where you have purchased any game, suppose this is the Counter-Strike game, this came into my library because I have a Steam account and I have a bought CSGO game. So directly what you have to do, when you first log in with this app, it will ask something called game sync. So as I have already synced my game in my account in another device, so it is showing like this. For the first time it will ask you to sync the game. So then you have to just click sync game, Steam sync, and after that you will be redirected to Steam website, where you have to log in into Steam website. And most important thing is, in Steam website, you can see it will show like this. For the very first time you have to click sync my Steam, and you go to website and you give your credentials, open your Steam account, and what you have to do is go to your profile and keep everything as public, your profile public, everything. Some, like, there are some options in your profile where it is like only restricted to friends, private, like that. You have to keep everything in public, so that when it syncs, you can see all the games present in your Steam account. That's it. Just and I think you understood it. So you'll get a Steam option. We just need to give your account, so that whatever there in your Steam library will be shown here, and just click it and you can play. That's it. Very simple. So these are the games I have in my Steam account. You can see view my library, and these are the games which is supported by GeForce Cloud Service. Not like I have PES, Pro Evolution Soccer football game, and so many other games, but they are not being shown here because that is not supported by GeForce, this app. So not every games you can play, but majority of the big games you can play. Call of Duty, everything you can play. Rainbow Six, I think so many games you can play. So for now I will show you quick demo of Counter-Strike CSGO. So when you click the game, you will get like this. Click continue, and it will try to connect to the your ISP and NVIDIA servers, and it will actually, what this does is, as you are a free member, you have to wait for some time before connecting to CSGO game. Yes, you have connected your Steam account, but still you have to wait to actually play this game in your mobile, because so many people like you may be requesting this game. You can see switch over, click continue. So it is asking to log in into Steam account, give your credentials. So now you can see, guys, after entering my Steam credentials again, so now you can see the game is getting started. So guys, as this is CSGO, I have, if you have external keyboard and wireless mouse and keyboard, it is best. So I am connecting. This is the CSGO game. If we actually play in PC, you can see it is exactly the same. Actually, it is the same game, but of course, guys, it depends. It is a bit laggy, and you can see frame drops are there here and there. So it depends upon what kind of server you get and what kind of PC they have assigned to that server and which you are accessing right now. But we are expecting a good gameplay. So let me connect. There is some issue in my wireless mouse. Let me resolve that. And sorry guys, my mouse is not connecting properly to my phone through OTG. Sorry for that. But you can see this is the CSGO. So actually my keyboard is working, so you can see. You can see same exact settings. So this is the game play. So all these games, guys, I can tap and shoot, but I could not rotate, could not move actually. You can see, guys, the network is very low, latency is very high, so that's why you can see a bit more lag and all. But if you have proper internet connection and all, this game will be much more good in your mobile or tablet, wherever you play. So that's it, guys. This is how you can play this kind of AAA games, PC games on your low end devices, and you can. This is very much useful for Mac PC, Mac PCs where they cannot play this kind of games. So actually, you can also play this kind of games in Mac also. So Mac, like how we are playing in mobile, we can also play this in Chrome, any web browser. Actually, we can go to GeForce Now website, and similarly, how we are playing here, you can also play in browser also. So Mac have Safari and Chrome and all. So through that web browser you can go and you can do this process which I did, and you can play the games just like that. You don't need any external high-end graphic cards setup and all. So this is how you play, guys. So that's it, guys. This is for this video of entire review and gameplay, a little bit gameplay of GeForce Now app, and how you can play some high-end and PC games in your mobile itself. If you like this video, guys, please give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.